guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a 70s inspired look. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on any hair length. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So we're going to be starting with the makeup first. I already went ahead and did my base. So I'm going to be using my Leilano Beauty Glitz Fever palette. You guys know how much I love this palette already. I use this palette so many times. It's also very beginner friendly and there is zero to no fallout, and the colors are really nice and well pigmented, as you guys will see in the video. So those are the two shades I'm going to be using, black and metallic silvery blue. You can also use the purple or the pink for this look. It will be nice too. So these are the two brushes. I'm using a flat angled brush and a flat rounded brush. So starting with that black shade, I'm going to be using it to do the cut crease. As you guys can see, my eyelid is kind of hooded. So whenever I apply eyeshadow, it doesn't normally show. So what I do is that I take the eyeshadow or whatever I'm applying to my eyelid a little bit high. So basically I take it like literally above the eye socket bone. If you touch your eye, you see that there is the socket right there, the bone. So I'm taking that a little bit above where you can feel the bone. So I'm starting with short strokes first, like little dots. Then I'm going to connect the dots to form the line. You also want to be looking down when you do this so that you can see the line that you're drawing. That's why I placed the mirror like below so that I could look down. So if you want to make it darker, you can definitely add more eyeshadow. But yeah, this is literally the hardest part of the entire eye look. Once you get this part down, you're practically done. So if the line isn't too straight, if there are little bumps, the line is smudged a bit, you can simply take a flat brush like this and use it to clean up the line. This is the brush I normally use to do my eyebrows, to clean up my eyebrows. That's what I'm using to clean up that line. So next I'm going to be taking that silver metallic blue and just using the flat rounded brush to pat that onto my eyelid right under the line that I drew. And if you notice, as I'm applying the shadow, there is no fallout at all. That's another reason why I love this palette. It's so easy to use, and yeah, it doesn't make your work messy on all that stuff. The shadow also applies very, very smooth and nice. So next I'm going to be taking my Sephora liquid liner. Yeah, I'm going to be using that to do the eyeliner. Now I googled 70s makeup looks, and a lot of the common themes I saw were winged liners, cut crease, white liner at the bottom lash line. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video. I have a tutorial on how I do my liner if you guys want to see a more detailed step. Next I'm going to be taking the infallible long wear eye pencil from L'Oreal, and that's what I'm going to be using to do the bottom do my bottom lash line. As you can see, the shade is like a very beige shade. It's not pure white. Apparently if you use pure white, it makes it too harsh, so you want to get like a beige off-white cream color instead. So now that is done, next I'm going to be taking these lashes from Leilano Beauty again, and I'm going to be using the Style Lala, one of my favorite lashes from them. And I'm also going to be using the WetnWild Megawear mascara to blend the lashes with my own lashes and do my bottom lashes. Now Leilano Beauty is a black owned brand. That's another reason why I always support them. They have amazing quality products, and you guys know I'm very big on supporting black owned businesses, especially if they have good products and good customer service. So that is one of the main reasons why I use the products a lot. Now if you notice, for my bottom lash line, I'm kind of using the mascara to clump my lashes together. That is because bold and prominent bottom lashes were also very common in the 70s. You can add false lashes, like those individual false lashes if you want. But if you don't have those, you can just simply use your mascara brush to clump your bottom lashes. And it works even better. It's easier to do if your mascara is new and it's more liquid. Mine is starting to dry up, so yeah. But anyways, this is how you do the eye look. Very, very simple and straightforward. Once you get that first line, everything else is very straightforward. Next, I am going to be putting on some blush. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush palette. The darkest pink in the palette is essentially what I'm using. Since this is a Barbie look, we want to go with like nice pinks. Next, I'm going to be taking this WetnWild lip liner 603A Simmer Brown. I'm going to be using that to line my lips before I apply my lipstick. The lipstick I'm going to be using is also from Wet n Wild, their Mega Last HighShine collection, and this is in the shade Pinky Ring. Now I have 2 videos on my Instagram page where I swatched all the shades of the HighShine and the matte, so you guys will see the ones that work well for darker skin and how to combine them with liner. So yeah, just check my Instagram page. I'll also leave those links down below. So this is basically how I do the makeup look. Yeah, the most complicated part of this is just the eye look. Once you get the first line, everything else should be able to fall in place. And also, if you know how to do wing liner, this will be very easy for you too. So now that we are done with the makeup portion, we're going to be doing the hair portion next. So for the hair, as you guys can see, my hair is currently twisted and I've been keeping my hair in twist like this. So because I didn't want to undo my twist or anything like that, I am going to be using clip-ins. So I'm basically sectioning out my hair. So these are the pieces I'm taking out, are the pieces I'm going to use to blend in with the clip-ins. Obviously, since my hair is twisted, I'm sectioning out the twist. But if your hair is not twisted, you can just do simple sections. Do one in the middle front for where you want the parting to be. I'm going for a side part, then section out some pieces at the sides so that you can use it to blend the sides of the clip-ins. So now I'm done sectioning out these front pieces for blending. For the back, I'm just going to braid down my twist. So this is essentially how I prepare my hair. Even when I want to wear wigs, I just literally braid down my twist because I hate undoing my twist. I just braid down my twists and tuck them in. Now the clip-ins I'm going to be using are from CurlsCurls. I've used them before in another tutorial. In my previous video where I used them, I twisted the clip-ins and added them to my hair. So yeah, you can click the ad at the top if you want to see my previous video on how I use these clip-ins. In this video, the clip-ins that I used from my previous video, I simply untwisted them. So it's the untwisted clip-ins that I'm going to be using for this look that I'm going to be adding to my hair so that I can match my twist outs with the front sections that I section out. So these are the clip-ins. As you can see, they have like a twist out kind of look, and the clip-ins come in different sizes, different lengths. So this is the one that has 5 clips. This is one that's 5 clips long. There's one with 4 clips. There's one with 3 clips. There's one with 2. So there are a lot of different sizes that can match different parts of your head. So you just gotta play around with it and figure out the ones you're going to be using. So starting with the one with 4 clips, since that is like the nape part of my head, I am going to be applying that one there. Next, I'm going to be taking one with 5 clips. Next, I'm going to be taking another 5 clip, and as you can see, my braids that I tucked in, you don't have to they don't have to be perfect, because once you apply the clip-ins on top, the clip-ins are going to hold everything together. So yeah, obviously if your hair is shorter, you wouldn't have that problem. It will be much flatter. But if you have a lot of hair, if your hair is long, you don't have to worry about it. The clip-ins are going to hold everything in. So this is the 4th clip-in that I'm putting on. I think that is a 4-clip one. So I basically use only 4 clip-ins to achieve this look. That is how full and thick these clip-ins are. So now I'm blending. As you can see, I'm undoing my twist that I left out, and I'm just going to be using that to blend in with the clip-ins. Now I'd advise you to get clip-ins that match the length of your hair, so that it will be easier for you to blend. And another thing I like about these clip-ins is that the color matches my hair really, really well. I've used clip-ins before that were a bit too dark or too light for my hair, so maybe I'd have to like color the clip-in so that it matches my hair better. But these particular ones are a very, very good match with my hair, as you guys can see in the video. Now they have 2 packs, I believe, on their website for the clip-ins, the normal and the thick. The normal is about 120 grams with 6 pieces inside, and the thick is about 240 grams with 10 pieces inside. So I got the thick bundle. The thick bundle is enough to do a full head of hair, and I got it in 20 inches. Because my hair is long, I wanted to get something that was long too, so that it will be a nicer match for my hair. So yeah, just get the length that matches your hair the most. So you can definitely get away with using, like I used about 4 or 5 clip-ins for this look. If you don't want to leave as much hair out as I did, you can definitely use more of the clip-ins. I just wanted it to look very, very natural, and I was also going for a very, very big and fluffy, voluminous look, since this is a 70s inspired hairstyle. Like you guys can see with your own eyes, this thing is a perfect match for my hair. Like, it looks so seamless, so seamless. So now I'm just trimming the clip-ins a bit. Yes, just light trim, nothing too crazy. And this is how it looks in a middle part. Like I said in the beginning, I was going for a side part, so I'm going to switch this to a side part soon. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can part this anyway, obviously, if you leave a good amount of hair out in front. So this is how it looks like in the middle part. Now for a side part, I'm just going to pull my hair to one side, arrange it, and redo the parting, like use my hair to cover up any of the clip-ins that are showing. And yeah, this is how it looks in a side part. So I decided to pull one side back and just use bobby pins to hold it at the side. You can actually style this in so many different ways. You can do it like a bun, like so many. You have a lot of styling options when you use clip-ins like this, so you can be as creative as you want because there is a lot of versatility. So next, I'm going to be putting on some earrings from Shop Accessorize, another black-owned company that I love supporting. I buy a lot of their accessories. They have really, really nice accessories. So yeah, this is basically the entire look put together. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can get the necessary information for where you can get everything I use in this video.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This style came out so adorable. Like, the entire look is just on point. So yeah, the clip-ins are from CurlsCurls. All the information is going to be down below in the description box. I've used these clip-ins before, but in my previous video I twisted it to do a really nice style. So if you guys want to see the clip-ins used in a different way, definitely check out that video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe buttons down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.